Hi, I'm Austin Ashbacker. Today we're going to talk about how to connect your Eos Arrow Gold GPS to Vermeer Projects using an Android operating system. For demonstration purposes, we are using a Samsung Tab A. So let's get started. To start out, we want to make sure that our GPS device is turned on, and then we want to make sure we get it Bluetoothed to our mobile device. So we're going to navigate to our settings. From here, we're going to get into connections and Bluetooth. In Bluetooth, we want to select Arrow Gold. We know that that's the GPS we're using, so we'll select that. And we'll navigate back out to our settings menu. The one thing that's different from Android and Apple is that on Android, we have to make sure we enable our mock locations. So we're going to scroll down, Developer Options. In Developer Options, we are going to scroll down to Select Mock Location App. In this case, we're going to select EOS Tools Pro because we're using an EOS. From here, we can go into our EOS Tools Pro app. Here we can see we're getting some correction, some level of correction. If we go to our differential tab, we notice that this is where we'll input our address and port number, as well as username, password, and mount point selection when it comes to setting up a new correction. I'm going to select Start. Once we notice that we're getting some level of correction, we can navigate from EOS Tools Pro to Vermeer Projects. Once we're in Vermeer Projects, we're going to select the compass on the left side of the screen. To select a device drop down, and we're going to select from our list EOS because we were using an EOS, and select Connect. In the bottom left hand of the screen it says High Accuracy Activated. We can then select our session information in the bottom left, and it's showing less than 1 inch of accuracy, so we know we're getting good correction from our EOS app. That's all for this video. We'll see you next time.